And the spray is now on. So it's how they're concentrating on the top half now. And welcome back to a brand new video. So it's all going on today. Looks like they're moving. Let's have a bit of a look, because they're moving all like the foundations for the old Odyssey, and they have now gone. You can see there we've got the huge crane. And so yeah, we're going to have a bit of a look at the demolition, because there's plenty going on there. There's walls being ripped down. There's a bit of a chaos over there. So come and join me. So it's going to move over to the courts, and you can see the donkeys there off to the beach, and they always looked really well looked after. Credits to the owners. So let's head over to the courts and see what's happening. See how much is coming down out of this left-hand side. Look at that. So there's no sprayer again, I've noticed. And look at this. He's having a go at this. See all the foam. Look at that. Coming down in chunks now, this one. See all the cabling as well. What's still in there? All different coloured wires, purples, reds, everything. And that's how he's trying to. See, that's how he's going for the wires. Look at that. So he's got his like claw around the wires. Just imagine all the money, all that copper. There's a bit of scrap, I'd imagine. So this is what's left of the left-hand side of the section. You see the police station, so we're just in the middle. Let's whip the camera around. So this is basically what remains on the left-hand side, and you see the machine there. And like I said, most of this now, is a good sort of like 10%, 15% of the left-hand side has now gone, and you can see all the cordons still remain in place. So you can see, it looks like at the moment he's just piling everything up, and that looks like sort of like wood and installation in that pile there. And then you can see there's a pile just above where it's all the metal. So it looks like they're separating it as they go along. So like I say, he's sort of cleaning everything, ready to move the machine. I'd imagine a little bit closer so you can get a bit more leverage on that sort of great big girder. So you can see just sort of scraping away just near that green pillar. And you just see the tower as well. It's on the left-hand side. What a shot, really! That is. And then you see all the road still remains closed, just access only to the shops. looks like he's sort of just digging his way where that pillar is. Probably sort of trying to find out a weak spot, perhaps. So just arrived at Chris's, just a quick breakaway because George, I believe, has left a card, which is really nice of him, at Chris Higgett's. So we're going to have a bit of a wait for these couple to walk over, and let's just pop in. You all right, Chris?
Hello, Mr. Will, David Blackpool lad sitting. I'm not worthy. You've had a letter.
Brilliant.
You've had a letter, something. You've got a fan, obviously, somewhere, haven't you? I know it's down here somewhere. Here we go. Pride the place, the Blackpool lads.
Fantastic.
So don't forget, if you want to send the Blackpool lads any fan mail or anything like that, yeah, you can send it to 628 Dale Street, Blackpool, FY1 5AF. And just make sure you put the Blackpool lads, because we get loads and loads of YouTube and stuff sent here, and I need to know who it's for. So there you go.
Brilliant. You. I appreciate that. Thanks, Chris.
You're more than welcome. Don't forget, guys, if you like this video, hit that like button, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, and send him lots of letters. If he gets enough letters, we may even give him his own section like the Walk of the Wild Side has.
That'll be something.
That will be something. So keep on sending him letters, yeah. Let's see if we can get his own section.
Brilliant. Thanks, Chris.
You're welcome.
Take care. So this is an evil looking one. Let's have a bit of a look around that. It certainly looks a vicious one with its claws. We had this the other day, and you can just see its claws. Look at that. It's a vicious little thing, that one. So you can see just down at Chapel Street, police are on the scene, and so they're just trying. I wonder if they've nicked anyone. And the spray is now on. So it's how they're concentrating on the top half now. Wow. So this is coming down really easy, this one. You can see he's spraying all like the wall. Look at that, crumbling down. Look at that. He's making mincemeat out of this section. There he is, like I say, you can see the sprayer. It's going to come tumbling down. You just see it, it's all, you know, it's all moving, and there he goes. There it is. It's nearly, and there it is. Wow. Just imagine the weight on this, and it's just like picking it up. You just see it, you know, that sort of blue netting, it sort of shields a lot of what you can see. But this huge section what he pulled out, he's chomping away. and get it into more manageable pieces. And so you see the little machine now is, I'd imagine, going to start scooping some of the bits what have gone on the floor. So you see he situated himself in a prime location. He's just swinging the arm from one place to another. Just look at all that scrap metal there. So don't forget, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification button. All that noise. I think I'll start that one again. So don't forget, hit the subscribe and the notification button to keep up to date with all the latest videos. And I do hope you enjoy the videos we put out on the channel. So it's been another eventful day for the demolition guys, and a large section you can see on the left hand side has now been cleared away. Looks like they're probably sort of just finishing up for the day. I don't think they're going to be starting anything else. So that is the end of today's video. Like I said, it's a bit of video on the demolition and the latest. So they're carving that huge section out tomorrow, and going to be starting along the Bonnie Street side. And you just see in the bottom left hand side, you see the donkeys coming back from the beach. It just shows how long we've actually been at the demolition, because we actually saw them going on the beach, and they've had probably sort of 2 or 3 hours. So like I said, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification button, and until next time, enjoy the rest of the day and enjoy the evening. And it is a bye from me. Bye bye.